Hey, buddy, come on.
No!
You weren't afraid last week.
I am now!
Ready, please?
No!
Hey there, fellow Vikings. I'm Herbert, and I am here once again talking about how to train your emotions. Unfortunately, my emotions isn't being very cooperative to you.
I'm scared!
He's dealing with fear. I'm sure all of you have dealt with your fear too.
Fear's scary!
Will you quit with that? There's nothing to be scared of out here.
Yes, there is!
I know. You know, when we are afraid, it can be almost crippling. Fear makes us freeze up and keeps us from taking risks.
That's not a bad thing!
Not always, but fear can keep us from good things to things like making new friends or trying a new hobby or coming on stage and talking about fear.
Give me one good reason to come out there.
Because God is in control. There's one.
He is?
He's always in control. We don't have to fear anything. Not new places, not new people, not thunderstorms, not the dark.
Why'd you have to bring up the door?
Because you don't need to be afraid of the dark. God is in control, even there.
God's in control of the dark?
Yes.
And in thunderstorms?
Yes.
What about on airplanes?
Yes.
Gym class?
Yes.
Parties my parents take me to with no kids and nobody I know?
Yes.
What am I so afraid of?
That's
When I'm afraid, I can remember that God is in control and I won't be afraid.
the spirit.
Wow, I feel so alive right now. I'm going to go bungee jumping.
Hey, wait. Can we talk about this for a moment? Oh well, like he said, when I am afraid, I can remember that God is in control.